all these techniques, then when you go to sleep, it starts processing from the last file. From the file 1030, 1029, 1028, it's so fast, it's like a computer. Okay, it's so fast. So 1020, 29, 29 till morning ka, early morning what you woke up, if you woken up at 6 o'clock in the morning, wo file, as soon as you woke up, what you saw, that file be processed last. Okay, it goes and creates files and emotions, whatever is generated, it is stored in this file, and to attract more and more of such. So it is always advisable, don't speak negative things when you are sleeping in the night. That is because of that. You speak positive things, preferably write all those things, whatever you want in life, and then, go to sleep, so that, by the end of it, first thing when you go, you are actually asleep, these things are processed, and those files are automatically created. You don't have to do anything. You have taken a decision to do it in the night before you sleep, and that is enough. It will process, because the job of the subconscious mind is just to manifest thing, whatever is here. If I have the fear of accident, the moment I step out of this place, or the moment I'm walking like this, I will just, take this wire into my legs, and, I'll just meet with an accident. All those things are processed here. So this is how it happens.
How does one differentiate between the consciousness? What has come up from the conscious or unconscious?
The conscious mind is, the job of the conscious mind is just to take inputs. Okay, like as the conscious mind takes the input, the taking power is, input taking power is 4,000 message units per minute. Okay, 4,000 message units per minute. How it is? Like as I am talking to you, I am seeing the dress, the color of your dress, I can see the light, I can see, all these things are processed in my conscious mind. There is a light which is hitting on me. Okay, there is a walking stick which is there. There is a phone on here, the duster. It's all, the sound is coming from down. All the color of the shirt, there are some chairs here, water. All these things are processing units, which are message units, which are taken in by the conscious mind. And the critical filter says ki, okay, this is bullshit, this you don't need, this input you don't need. It will throw. Whatever it is required is thrown. Whatever is required, it will keep it. Whatever is not required, it will throw, and that is in the night. Actually, if you have come in a cab, and if you have by any chance seen the number of the cab, if I take you to hypnotic state, you will be able to remember that number of the cab, because that is still there, which is actually not relevant for you. Okay, but it is there in the night, when you sleep, it will say, okay, number of the cab, it's not required, just dump that file. It just goes out. Okay, so conscious mind, the job of the conscious mind is just to take inputs. The job of the critical filter is just to filter and say which is right, which is wrong, which is to be sent to which place. All those things. And this is a new file, I need to create a new file now. All those things are done by the critical filter, and job of the subconscious mind is just to receive files and then manifest 10 times whatever is possible. Yeah, that's what I mentioned. It stays for 24 hours, or which, now I'm talking to you, it doesn't stay for 24 hours. Definitely you're going to sleep in the night. Or you are sleeping, whichever is earlier. Or if you are a meditator, you go at 6 o'clock, you'll sit at home and do meditation automatically. It will, go down to your subconscious mind. Because as you are in that state, sleep state or meditative state or hypnotic state or whichever state, this critical filter slowly shakes and starts sending files to the subconscious mind.
How do you decide which is required for storing, which is not required?
It is done automatically. See,
the earlier patterns in the subconscious will detect.
No, earlier patterns in the subconscious is just to, job is just to manifest. Factory, left wala juta production kiya, right wala juta production kiya. One machine is just doing it, bas. You know, if you go to RA Milk Colony, you'll see the paper. One machine is just doing the paper, you know, that plastic, and one machine is just filling the milk, and other machine is just sealing it, and one machine is just throwing it. Bas. You know, it is like that. It is like machine. It is just got one file. Acha, produce karo, isko manifest karo. You know, keeps manifesting.
Can you differentiate as to from where subconscious or conscious mind the thought is coming differently, or it also goes on?
No, the thought is coming from the conscious mind only. No, subconscious mind is full of experiences. Subconscious mind is full of experiences, and we are getting affected because of the emotions generated with that experience.
You don't have to differentiate as to what, whether it is subconscious or it's very deadly mixed up. You can't differentiate between the two.
I didn't get the question.
If thought has come to you, can you differentiate whether it has come from conscious mind or subconscious mind?
No, if the thought has come to you, you know, that the conscious mind ka pattern of thought. Okay, if I have the this thing of, you know, focusing on negative things, you know, as I'm looking at you, if I have the focus, if I am the person who is just focusing on negative things, I'll just say, why he is not wearing shoes? You know, why he is wearing a black shoe with a brown trouser? You know, I will just focus on negative things because that conscious mind is trained to look at only. I just joked, sir. I just joked.
It's a mischievous mind.
Huh?
Can you call it a mischievous mind?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can use the conscious mind to your best ability consciously. Okay, if I'm sitting idle, you know, empty mind is a devil's workshop. You know, all those things are this only, conscious mind only. This is not a devil's workshop. This is just a workshop. Whatever is given here, it has got the capacity to multiple and give it back to you. Okay, this is the devil's workshop which is giving to this place. Okay, this will, here if you have the control, you know, okay fine, there is some argument going on. You know, I am with my set of friends, 7-8 friends are there, some dirty argument is going on. You know, I don't have to stay there. Consciously I decide, step out, go to some other place, have a sip of, you know, coffee, and I'm sitting quietly in another place. I don't have any issues. Okay, if I am gossipy, if I am completely, you know, like to know what is happening, and, you know, poke my fingers at others, this thing, I will say, you know, I'll speak to all the 8 of us, you know, 8 of them, and see, you know, what is happening, bolna, you know, why are you doing this, you know, all those things. You know, I'll start all those questioning, and, you know, all those things, I'll be happy. You know, oh, fine, my this friend now, you know, this fellow has hit him. Oh, very good. Last time he had slapped me, no, today he got it back. You know, Vaisa.
Give an example of an alcohol. Some therapies succeed in pulling out, others fail in pulling out.
The alcoholic and smoke addicts, drug addicts, whatever. You know, all these things, it takes 8 to 10 sessions, maximum 12 sessions. One session is around 1 to 2 hours. Okay, but it is afterwards conscious decision of the person. You know, in addiction case, we work completely with the subconscious mind. All those files are removed, positive experiences are removed, everything is removed, replaced with some other files, everything is done. But ultimately it is the conscious decision of that person to again go back to this.
It works in a reverse direction from subconscious to conscious. Do you say that in case of an alcohol, when you pull him out of it?
No, I can still go and experience something new, na? Okay, I'm a whiskey drinker. Okay, I have gone for a therapy, I'm completely out of it now, you know, I'm completely pure. Okay, I'm very happy. You know, after 1 month, you know, I'm feeling like a cabbage. You know, every night after 8 o'clock, you know, I open the bottle till 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, I'm drinking, and then I'm having my dinner and sleeping. You know, it was really good, you know, watching TV and, you know, smoking and, you know, completely chilling out. And yeah, and I start missing it. You know, what is happening, you know. And then when I'm watching TV, when I'm completely out of the therapy and, you know, I'm out, I have a conscious thing that memories are there. The emotions are gone, memories are there. So when I'm watching TV, I'll say, yaar, ek hota tha to maza aata tha. Then he'll say, no, whiskey nahi, I'll have a beer.
But would
Okay.
you take it out and look here, I'll come out of it. I'm a happy man now. I don't have to spend money on this. Would you not feel that sort of...
Yeah, you definitely feel. I was smoking. I'm out of smoking. Okay, so, it